The CP Republic is brought to you by Smart and Talk and Text.
And welcome back sa newest edition ng The CP Republic. Happy New Year again ulit, Jam.
Happy New Year, Reg.
Oo,
at sa mga viewers natin.
This is our second episode, second hands-on review segment of the year. And meron tayong bagong phone na inabot ni Cherry Mobile nung holiday break.
Yeah, holiday break.
And ang tawag dito ay ang
Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie.
Yes, so may bago tayong selfie, mga friends. Natatandaan niyo last year meron tayong Cherry Mobile Selfie, but this time nagkaroon ng Flare Selfie. So ito po 'yon. Actually, this was not announced during nung Christmas, sa Christmas price list. So this is pretty much a new model, okay? Pero at the time of this recording, kaka-launch lang yesterday. Kaka-release lang yesterday.
Okay.
So ito yung review natin. Papag-usapan natin this afternoon. So, itong Flare Selfie, makikita natin yung specs sa description dito sa YouTube video na to. Just go to the description section. You will see there the complete specs of the Cherry Mobile Selfie.
Yes.
Now, let's get it on. So, Jam, anong tingin mo sa Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie?
Well, unang-una ang ganda ng design niya. First, nakita niyo naman, this is not plastic. This is metal. And yung feel niya.
Metal ba talaga to?
Metal.
Sabagay, metal nga.
Para talagang iPhone yung design. Alam mo yung sa iPhone 6, di ba? Sa iPhone meron tayo ng parang antenna lines yan, no? So medyo may pagka-iPhone-ish yung feel niya pag hawak mo siya. Although sa likod meron tayong plastic na back cover. Although it's glossy. Kaya medyo mapapansin nyo, marami fingerprints sa
fingerprint
likod.
magnet too eh.
Oo, fingerprint magnet talaga. And ito, Reg, ito yung isa sa main feature ng Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie.
Yeah,
palagay mo to?
Camera?
Well guys, this is the fingerprint sensor ni Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie. Scanner.
Yeah.
Yan. So, mapapansin nyo, gusto ko yung design niya. Like iPhone, yung may parang chamfered edges na maganda tignan. Then, elegante yung tingin niya sa likod. Maganda yung design niya sa likod.
Actually, the whole
the whole smartphone.
The whole phone looks elegant.
So we also have the micro USB sa baba, microphone, and then yung speaker grill na mukha talagang iPhone. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Sobrang ganda.
But the back cover is not removable. So yung
nandito.
In order for you to insert the SIM card, you need to go to this section over here. Medyo blurred pa. Anyway, yan. So dito, it supports dual micro SIM cards. Pero yung isa sa yung second SIM card is actually you can, if you're not gonna use a second SIM card, you can insert a micro SD card for extra storage. Kasi this one already comes with 16 gigs of internal storage, pero you can have another extra set of memory with the use of the micro SD card.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's turn this on, and si Jam will demonstrate how to. Kailangan mo ba gamitin ng code?
Well guys, actually hindi niyo na kailangan pindutin tong power button kasi kahit patay siya, ilagay niyo lang yung daliri niyo dito, automatically bubukas na siya. And noticeable sa akin, very noticeable yung yung bilis ng fingerprint sensor, sobrang bilis. Kung mapapansin niyo, ayan, lagay dito, unlock. Although it's not the fastest, I believe this is not the fastest smartphone na may fingerprint na gano'ng kabilis sa fingerprint scanner. Pero iba pa rin yung bilis niya eh. Natutuwa ako doon sa bilis niya and sobrang ganda pa rin for its price. Na mamaya sasabihin natin yung price, right?
Right. So, yun nga, it's running on an octa-core processor. Okay. And makikita naman natin
mabilis talaga yung kanya.
Yeah, built-in UI. Pero dito natin actually based on our review, well, sa akin wala naman ako na-encounter not much, no. Jam, ikaw mas demanding ka gumamit dito lately eh. How was the performance with the games and all other apps? Pero considering that this one also pala compared to the previous selfie of last year, of in 2014, released to the late 2014. Ito, this one has 3 gigs of RAM.
Right.
So, yun ang malaking isa sa mga improvements din dito. So,
And,
how do you find it? How do you find the changes?
Well, first, hindi na siya 64-bit. Again, 3 gigs of RAM. Mas mabilis. And on Antutu, I got a score of 37502. Expected on chipset sa MT6752, which is medyo nakalito. And so far sa games, I have Asphalt 8 here. And sa akin naman okay naman yung yung kanyang graphics and yung kanyang teka lang. So bumaliktad siya. So okay naman sa yung kanyang gameplay, yung graphics and everything. Although it's not yung best na graphics na makikita niyo sa isang Asphalt game, but yeah, it's still okay, mabilis siya, no lags. And na-enjoy ko maglaro dito ng Asphalt 8. So yan, makikita niyo naman. Actually, napansin niyo kanina bigla siya nagbukas. And nung nag-swipe ako dun sa kanyang mismong home screen, hindi naglalag siya kahit na naka-multitask yung Asphalt 8.
Yeah, I think that is because of the large RAM that
Yes.
comes with the Cherry Mobile
Yes,
SLT.
dahil din sa RAM. And makikita mo naman, yung gaming niya, walang problema. Super smooth, super walang problema. So I bet, kahit yung mga gamers dyan matutuwa din sa Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie. Isa pa na magugustuhan ng mga gamers dito is yung kanyang battery life. Reg, di ba? So,
Yeah, here's the battery life of this one comes, so may 3 gigs of RAM. Tapos 3,000 mAh naman ang battery.
and for a smartphone with 5-inch display, 5-inch HD display, which means mas maliit yung display, less power consumption, mas maliit yung resolution. So, mas maliit yung power consumption. So, mas matagal yung battery life ng Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie. Actually, nung naglaro ako kaya hindi ko pa masyadong, nung naglaro ako, ng parang 1 oras, 2 oras, parang hindi naubos yung niya, yung battery niya kagad. Normally kasi parang ganun, 50% of battery or 30%. Dito parang less than 20 nung naglaro ko So, kaya siyang umabot ng more than half a day, depende sa gamit nyo. Siguro heaviest, siguro kaya ng 12 hours ng Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie pagdating sa heavy usage ng smartphone.
Yeah. So anyway, we also have here yung of course yung one of the main features, which is the camera. Okay. So this one comes with a 13 megapixel 16 megapixel camera with autofocus. Tapos front camera naman niya is also 16 megapixels, which is actually familiar sa Cherry Mobile Selfie.
Yes.
No? Now, ito, inaano nga natin yung pinagdalaruan nga natin yung camera. No? Meron ditong feature na na oops, just once. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, galing. This is a live photo. Actually, ngayon ko lang ito napansin.
May live photo like feature si Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie.
Okay. Well, yung live photo, we discussed this sa iPhone 6s.
Yes.
Okay? And I really love that feature. Okay? I didn't know na itong Flare Selfie,
Meron din.
meron din. Ngayon ko lang na-discover while we're doing this recording. Galing. So, it has a way to capture live photos. Ngayon ko lang nakita to for some reason you go to the camera and then hindi yan. Naka-live photo mode ako You have to go to, so ito yung yan ang normal mode, pero when you tap on this, live photo mode na siya. So whenever you take photos, it will take a very short video, which is like the moment before the actual photo was taken.
Actually, para siyang Harry Potter yung dating niya.
Yeah, if you watch Harry Potter, guys,
mga photos
para
doon,
a short moment would yung kung paano sila gumalaw, paano magsalita, and then naka-freeze na yung image. Ang galing this is my first time to see this. Well, anyway, so what is the quality like of the camera? So yung may mga indoor shots na okay. Pero pag low light conditions like this one, okay, mukhang okay naman siya.
Low light to.
Pero mga low light,
medyo ano siya.
hindi ako masyadong nasisiyahan.
Medyo soft yung dating yan. Doon sa edges, mapapansin niyo. Doon sa keyboard
That
arm.
one.
Medyo soft
That's a good example.
Normally, mga ganito, hindi siya soft eh. Yan o. So, medyo, ano na. Although, yes, malinaw. I mean, siguro sa mga smartphones na, mga tao na hindi naman, OC masyado sa camera, na ganito dapat. Okay na sa kanila to. I guess, okay na sa kanila na ganito. Pero, para sa akin, medyo nakukulangan ako na medyo soft eh.
Yeah.
Supposedly, maganda na dapat yung image eh. Normally, sa mga smartphones na, nasa ganitong price range.
Yes. And so, in my experience then, it's difficult to take food shots pag medyo madilim yung ilaw.
Yes, kasi iba yung colors din na dumarating.
Nagwa-wash out yung itsura niya eh.
Actually, ito kanina nga.
Para ka ng mga watercolor yung
yung dating niya,
diba?
diba?
So which is actually, I find it a bit disappointing. Pero nevertheless, ganoon naman talaga yung mga ibang camera. Mga ibang camera phones. But this is a camera phone eh. Yes, I know it's a selfie camera phone. Pero the fact that it has 16 megapixels at the back, which, some of us know this is not really the true megapixel count, okay? This is interpolated. In-adjust lang yung pixels para maging 16. Pero tingin ko 30 megapixels talaga yung totoong resolution count nito. But even at 13, hindi pa rin ganun
Kaganda.
I think it's with a sensor. I don't know what sensor they're using here. But it's, I was expecting more, okay? Because the camera of the Cherry Mobile Selfie, mas okay pa yung rear camera niya.
Right.
For low light conditions.
And isa pa, mas malakas yung flash ng Cherry Mobile Selfie.
Oo.
Kasi dalawa yung LED flash niya sa likod. Sobrang laki.
Well, dalawa rin naman to. Pero
sobrang laki nung kanya.
Iba yung selfie eh. Because the wife of my best friend, who also has a Cherry Mobile Selfie, told me recently na ginamit, tuwang-tuwa sila sa selfie. Pumunta sila recently sa nagkaroon sila ng they went to Hong Kong, nag-cruise sila. Wala siyang dalang digital camera, she only used the selfie.
And malinaw, maganda yung
nakuha
na images.
Up to now, she's still happy of using the selfie as a main camera. So, I don't know, maybe I'm just really expecting too much that at least man lang at par.
Pero hindi.
Pero it's not eh. So, that's Pero anyway, the main camera looks okay. The main camera is better performing than the the rear camera. Would you agree?
Yeah. Actually,
yeah.
nag-agree naman talaga ako na ganun yung kanya. Although, ito nalito nga pala ako by the way dito. Kala ko laser autofocus to. Nauto ako.
No, it's just that is the motion
yung sensors niya,
yeah,
diba?
Yeah.
Pero isa pa, compared kay selfie, sabi natin, yung unang selfie is mas maganda. Pero mas mabilis mag-focus to. Parang mas mabilis mag-focus to compared do sa dati. Ayan, so si Reg, hello. Although ito, magpapakita ko sa inyo na selfie ko. Nagawa ko na selfie. So, yan. Nag-selfie ako. And maganda yung lighting dito.
Maganda lighting.
Maganda lighting sa office. And so far, not the best na selfie shot na nakuha ko. Pero detail siya. And kitang-kita niyo naman yung dumi sa mukha ko. Yan. And,
hindi siya naka-eskinol nun eh.
Hindi, Nivea tayo. Nivea.
Nivea ba pinapromote mo? Nivea for women.
Pero seriously, ayan, makikita nyo naman na, sa ID nga. So, medyo kita mo yung threads ng Maganda. Maganda naman. And tama yung kulay nito nung time na yon. Ito yung another shot ko. Although, dito parang medyo warm yung dating ng colors. And gabi to. And use a flash. This is a flash, by the way. LED flash. Pero medyo hindi siya gano'ng kalakas yung flash niya sa unahan. But still, maganda pa rin naman. Hindi siya sobrang katulad nung kanina, sobrang ganda. Pero yeah, it's still okay.
Yeah. Looks parang mas okay nga yun compared sa compared sa rear camera.
Yes, sa rear camera. Yes, dalawang selfie ko.
So the 3,000 milliampere battery, no, but it does make a difference kasi medyo natagalan ako dito sa paggamit eh. Normally, ilang oras ba sa'yo?
Mismo parang half day na nga ng gamit ko which is hindi normal sa isang typical na smartphone sa akin kasi normally parang less than half a day pag heavy usage talaga. Then ito umabot ang half day talaga. No.
So naka 12 hours ka?
Oo.
That's the same amount of...
Hindi pa ubos.
Ako naman umabot ako sa between 11 to 13 hours eh. Yan ang average ko eh. Excuse me. So, looks like okay naman, but it's not the best. It's a good selfie phone. Ang caveat ko lang talaga dito is camera. I was just really expecting more, but overall, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
No, it's not that bad. And you know, magkano lang naman to?
Mura lang.
7,999 pesos,
yeah.
No? Kasi yung presyo nga to ng Flare S4 Plus,
yeah.
which is bigger.
Well, kung gusto niyo ng may fingerprint sensor,
pero ito naman kasi mas maliit, pero may fingerprint sensor.
No? Then, we'll also have yung flash sa unahan sa mga mahilig talaga mag-selfie. Hindi mo maiwasan yun, mahilig selfie. Gusto lagi may flash sa unahan kasi minsan sobrang dilim. Gusto pa rin nila mag-selfie o whatever.
So yung mga mahilig mag-selfie talaga, pero mare-recommend naman talaga namin.
Yes.
Okay naman.
Yes.
Hindi naman hindi naman masasayang yung pera mo.
Yes.
The camera naman, I have a little bit of reservations. Pero tingin ko papasa naman sa iba. Pero yun nga lang, iwasan nyo yung mga low light conditions.
Iwasan na talaga. Well, actually, pag naman magsiselfie ka, normally, pag gusto mo talaga ng magandang selfie.
If you're using the main camera.
Yeah, the main camera. Medyo nga ako sa main camera, sayang konting improvement.
Yeah, sana in-improve pa nila. So,
pero mas malinis siya kaysa doon sa dating selfie. Medyo feminine look kasi yung dating selfie. Ngayon,
well, yung pa. Kaya nga nagustuhan ng asawa ng best friend.
Kasi medyo feminine talaga yung design.
Feminine yung design. You know. All right, so that's what we have for our hands-on review segment of the Cherry Mobile Flare Selfie. It's already available in the market. And Jam and I would post this
review.
Post our respective full reviews on jamonline.ph and drondego.net.
Yes.
So sa uulitin, meron pa yata tayong meron pa tayong next episode coming up. So thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe youtube.com/thedrnetworks.